Hello watcher and subscribers and my dear student. In this Scratch tutorial, we will see one simple story and how to implement that story in the Scratch project that we will discuss. So here in this project, I will keep two sprite, or you can say two object or two animal, and we will put simple conversation between these two sprite. Okay. So here in this project, you will learn how you can do the conversation between the two sprite. So for that we need two sprites. So right now we don't want this sprite. I just want to delete. So now we don't have any object here. So first upon I would like to add background. So how to add background? Just see here. This is a background icon in just right hand side. Select the search option. Many backgrounds you are getting. So I would like to prefer suppose this background. So your backgrounds got changed. Now I would like to add sprites. So you have to select this search option, second one from the right corner, and for sprite, suppose my first object is this one. This is my object. I want to arrange it somewhere like here. One more object I need. So again search option, and I'm going into the animals for getting more option. I want to select fox. So I got here two sprite. Okay. So this is my first sprite, that is bear, and second sprite is fox. Okay. So what happened? I want to reduce their shape, particularly bear shape I want to reduce. So just select the bear, and here in the size option, in place of 100 I want 60. Just press enter. After that, now its size got reduced. I want to arrange it here. Direction is okay, and here in the second one, size, that is okay, but in the direction, suppose you want to change direction, then like that you can do it. So I want like that, and then as you see here, their direction is same, so I want their opposite direction. So particularly fox direction I want opposite. So just select here costumes, and here in the costumes there is a flip option, flip horizontal. Then you see here, now they are seeing to each other, they are observing each other for the communication. So then I just select here code option. I want to do code for the beer first. Now the beer will start communication first. So here many options are there. You have to select. I am selecting looks option for talking purpose. So then for dropping this block here, you just drag it. So here the hello message is there for the 2 second. Okay, that message will print for 2 second. If you want, you can change the initial. It depend on what kind of story you want. I just telling you the way. Okay, then whatever the story conversation you want, you can do it. So that beer will say hello and it will take 2 second. Got that? You just check out by clicking here. And I want event also. In the event I want one action. This is the simple event. Event means to do something. So here in vain option there is a flag icon. It means if you click on this flag, it will produce the output hello, means beer will say hello. So whatever coding is there, we are doing under this beer. Then fox is there. So fox, what it will say, you have to decide. So in the option of looks, fox will say how are you. I want, it will say how are you. So the next message is how are you, which will run for 2 seconds. Again I want to here produce one event, means when the flag is clicked, that output will run. So now I am clicking here. You observe the output. Both are talking at the same time, means both are producing the message at the same time that we don't want. First beer will produce the message and then fox. So what you say here, the first sprite will talk and will say hello. It will take 2 seconds. So in that duration, the second object like fox should wait. Okay, so we will go in the coding of fox and put the wait control. So wait is present under the control, so that wait should be added just before saying anything. So you have to place properly. So this is what the wait control. So how much time that fox should wait, as the previous one, means the here the beer is taking 2 second time, so ultimately more than 2 second that fox should wait. So here we will put the timing more than 2 second, means 2.5. So that much time the fox will wait and will say how are you. When it will say how are you, then again the same logic for the beer also, that beer will wait. So I am going into that code and put the wait command for how much second, 2.5, because the previous timing was again 2 second. Again I will put the message that is under the look section. Here you can change the message, fine. It will take 2 seconds, or you can reduce that time also. Then when it will say fine, that is under the beer option, and then fox will again wait. So under the control section, produce the wait. The timing is 2.5, or you can give 3 also, it's up to you. And again I am adding the sound, means message. So here the message is okay. So now this conversation is going to end. So at the end I want to put one sample sound. That's it. So here we have created one simple story. We just take a review. So here when the flag you click, some conversation will happen. Okay. So initially it will say hello, and then it will take 2 seconds. So during this time, that second object should wait at least 2 seconds. Then it will say, so in this meantime that beer should wait, so we have used here wait option. So here we have used 2 to 3 types of block, like say, wait, we have used sound, and when click, that is very common, you must be aware. So just check the output. Here the main benefit of scratch is at any time you can check the output. This thing most of the programming language doesn't work. So here when you click on this flag, you just check it out, hello, from the beer side, then how are you, fine, okay, and at the end some voice will also come. So in this way you can add any story there. You have to decide any sprite, you have to decide what conversation will be there, and you can put the voice also. So this is what the sample project. So as a beginner, first we will first you have to practice about how to put the conversation in the form of message. Then in the coming project we will see how you can in place of, means that text conversion, how you can add the voice. Okay, how you can add the own, or how you can put how you can create or how you can record your voice and put in the sprite. So that thing we will see in the coming project. So in this project what we saw exactly, we have added the two sprite and we have done conversation between them in the form of the text. Suppose you are clicking here, we are getting the conversation. This is very sample thing. So the activity from your side should be like you have to add any two sprite, put the conversation between them, means you have to create the story between the two sprite. Okay, so if you understood this project, you can easily do the activity, you can easily create the story from your side. So thanks for watching this small project. Thank you.